Attention! Class is in session. Hope everyone got their stomachs filled at lunch because we are going to learn about chemical reactions for science class today. Who wants to volunteer and be my class helper?
Me, pick me, pick me.
Okay, before we begin, children, don't try this at home or without parental supervision. Nanea, go grab the blue lab apron on the wall and put it on.
Okay, I'm ready to go, Miss Maryellen. The lab apron fits perfectly.
Don't forget your safety gloves.
I almost forgot. Are these the ones?
Yes, that's it. Now, we will first start off with color change with heat. What kind of reaction will happen if liquid chemicals reacted to heat?
Miss Maryellen, the chemicals won't blow up like what we see in the movies, will it? I'm really scared.
Haha, silly, it won't blow up. It is perfectly safe.
Why do chemicals change color when reacted to heat?
Some do and some don't, Nanea. It depends on what is inside or mixed that matters. Nanea, go grab the fluorescence flask mixed with the yellow liquid on the shelf. We will be testing that one for the class.
Found it.
Now put it on the Bunsen burner. Class, you will start to see a color change reaction when the fire is turned on. Also, try to visually see if a hint of its original color remains. Now, Nanea, go grab the safety goggles and put them on before we turn on the burner.
It's all snug.
Here we go. Class, as you see the color change to blue upon reacting to the heat. Nanea, would you go grab me the everyday cooking ingredients that can be found in everyone's kitchen? It is on the top shelf next to the physics book.
Sure. Here's the last one, the baking soda.
Now, class, we are going to mix these ingredients one by one to see what kind of reaction can be seen. Nanea, please grab that beaker on the shelf. First, we will be adding some baking soda. Next, we will need a few drops of vinegar. Finally, let's shake it up. In this case, the amount in difference between the vinegar and baking soda didn't react because the jar had a larger amount of water. The vinegar was diluted and the baking soda dissolved too quickly. If water wasn't in this jar initially, we would have seen a foamy chemical reaction. Class, that's all for today. Class dismissed. Hi everyone, today we will be sharing with you the OG Schoolroom Science Lab from our generation. In this set, there are a lot of items for dolls to experiment with. So let's take a look. Here we have an apron and a pair of gloves. Next to the apron is the Bunsen burner and fluorescence flask. There's also a flask, a beaker, dye and vinegar, baking soda, a rubber ball pipette, measuring cup, molecule model, safety goggles, and a periodic table chart on the back. On the side is the skeleton, pole, and stand.
Over here we have 3 test tubes and tube stand, a physics test book, a science and chemistry notebook, a pencil and marker. Last but not least, there's a working microscope and rolling cart. Now unboxing time.
The marker's cap can be taken off, which makes it seem like the doll can highlight important parts. Here's a pencil. It's all ready for taking notes. This one's fun. It says periodic table of elements. Here's the Bunsen burner. It lights up. And the Florence flask has yellow liquid, which is very cool. Here's the microscope. It has a switch you can turn on and off, and there's a light. On the top, there's a screen that you can see in the inside at the light. There are 3 lenses that you can rotate so you can choose a lens. The last one is a knob that you can turn to adjust the lens focus. What do you think of the Schoolroom Science Lab set? We think it's fun and there are so many pieces for the dolls to use in their science class. Nanea and Miss Maryellen had a lot of fun experimenting with this set.
If you like this Science Lab set, please give this video a big thumbs up.
Also, if you have science class at school, please tell us in the comment section, what do you do during the class?
We hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.